Hey guys, thanks for joining me for this new series for a great book to learn your double stops on violin. Or maybe not learn, but improve your technique. It's really a wonderful book. I highly recommend it. I think you should check it out. And I hope to see you in the next video. This would be a wonderful time to hit the subscribe button below. Thank you very much.